Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you how you can purchase and download various different expansion packs for The Sims 4 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up The Sims 4 game on your PC, and once you open it up, from the main menu, you will see the home as well as the store option. Go ahead and click on store, and now you will see various different expansions, packs as well as kits that you can buy. Click on the expansion packs option, which will now show you all of the expansion packs that are available. There are various different free expansion packs as well, which you can unlock through various different achievements. Click on the view button to see the details of what are included within these packs. You can then click on the free button if it is a free pack to begin your download and installation, or you will need to purchase the pack by clicking on the buy now button. This will then take you into your store page based on which client you installed the Sims 4 game from. If you installed it from Steam, it will take you to your Steam page where you can now go into your cart directly in order to purchase this expansion pack. Once it is selected, click on the continue to payment button, and now you can choose your payment method to continue for your purchase. If you have chosen PayPal for instance, you can directly log in using your PayPal credentials. Once you have provided your payment verification, the expansion pack will be downloaded and it will be installed within your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and purchase various different expansion packs for The Sims 4 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.